Hello everyone. Industrial Chemistry VS 05 CICS 22 Unit 1 Petroleum Technology lecture number 4. In the last lecture I was start the composition of petroleum. The petroleum occurs in nature all three possible states: solid, liquid and gas. The average ultimate composition of petroleum mainly given in the terms of constituents of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons, that means the compound containing carbon and hydrogen. The main two components, the carbon and hydrogen present in the petroleum. The percentage of carbon is 84 to 86% and the percentage of hydrogen is 14%. The highest carbon atom present in the crude is C70, and except the first few hydrocarbons are liquids, some solids and some gases. The general properties of the homologous series is discussed below. In the last lecture I will start first paraffins. The general formula of the paraffin is CnH2n plus 2. First three components of compounds of paraffins are in the gaseous form, while compounds up to C16s are liquids, and beyond that the assume solid consistency, while beyond C13 assume shape of the solid blocks. Sometimes this paraffin is even in the crystal form. There are numbers of isomeric compounds of each compound. Up to C3 have two isomers are possible. C4 exhibits only 2 isomers and C5 exhibits 3 isomers. In also the numbers of isomers increase, the numbers of carbon atom also increase. Last lecture ની અંદર આપણે ડિસ્કશન કરેલું કે જેમ જેમ આઇસોમર્સ ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય તેમ નંબર્સ ઓફ કાર્બન એટમ છે ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય. C13S20 exhibits 802 isomeric form. And the last lecture ની અંદર also discuss કર્યું હતું કે જે C13S20 છે એ 802 isomeric form exhibit કરે છે. The example of paraffins is CH4 methane, C2H6 ethane, C3H8 propane and C4H10 butane, etc. Second, discuss the unsaturated olefins. The olefins represented by the general formula CnH2n. And the first four are gaseous, up to C15 are liquids, and beyond C15 are solids. They are easily attacked by sulfuric acid and some of the even polymerized. These unsaturated are mainly formed during the cracking operation. The alkanes are also there. Example is acetylene. Okay, today I will start new third naphthalene. These are saturated ring compounds bearing the general formula CnH2n. This general formula looks like a unsaturated olefins. Second point, the prominences of the ring structure parts with 5 carbon atom. આ જે પણ naphthalene છે એની અંદર 5 carbon structure ની અંદર 5 carbon atoms હશે. Although the C3 and C4 ring structure are in the existence, their stability increase because of the excessive strain. એની અંદર excessive strain ની કારણે એની stability શું થાય છે? increase થાય છે. And the naphthenes exhibits both properties, saturated paraffins and saturated aromatics. આ જે naphthenes છે એ both બંને properties exhibits કરે, saturated paraffins as well as saturated aromatics. The example of naphthenes is cyclohexane, cyclobutane and cyclopentane. Also again repeat, third composition of petroleum, third general properties, naphthenes. These are saturated ring compounds bearing the general formula CnH2n. This general formula looks like a unsaturated olefins. The prominences of the ring structure parts with 5 carbon atom. એનું જે પણ સ્ટ્રક્ચર હશે એની અંદર કેટલા કાર્બન હશે? 5 કાર્બન હશે. although C3 and C4 ring structure are existence, their stability increase because of the excessive strain. એની અંદર જે પણ excessive strain હશે એના લીધે એની stability શું થાય છે, increase થાય છે. The naphthalene exhibits both the properties of saturated paraffins and saturated aromatics. આ naphthalene છે એ both properties exhibits કરે છે, saturated paraffins as well as saturated aromatics. The example of naphthenes are cyclohexane, cyclobutane and cyclopentane. Fourth general properties is aromatics. The first smallest of the aromatic is benzene, and the other simple aromatics to follow are toluene, xylene like paraxylene and cumene. એટલે એરોમેટિક્સ ની અંદર જે પણ ફર્સ્ટ સ્મોલેસ્ટ એરોમેટિક કમ્પાઉન્ડ હતો એ શું હતો, બેન્ઝીન હતો. એન્ડ અધર્સ એરોમેટિક્સ ટુ ફોલો, એ જે બીજા અધર એરોમેટિક્સ હતા એની અંદર શું હતું, ટોલ્યુઇન, xylene, xylene like paraxylene, orthoxylene, metaxylene and cumene. But in the petroleum fractions, the aromatics beyond C3 ring structure like anthracene are probable not existent. બરાબર, કે જે પણ પેટ્રોલિયમ ફ્રેક્શન હતો એની અંદર એરોમેટિક બિયોન્ડ C3 ring structure વાળું જે anthracene છે is probable not existent. I again repeat, the fourth general properties is aromatics. The first smallest of the aromatics is benzene, and the other simple aromatics to follow are toluene, xylene like paraxylene and cumene. And the next point, the but in the petroleum fractions, the aromatics beyond C3 ring structures like anthracenes are probable not existent. Now we will discuss inorganism. In the composition of petroleum, first four properties are organic hydrocarbons. First, paraffin. Second, unsaturated is also known as olefin. Third, naphthenes, and fourth, aromatics. Next, fifth is inorganics, the sulfur compound. In inorganics, totally discussion in this theory, totally discussion about the sulfur compound. Sulfur is found in the most of the crudes in the variable amount. જે પણ સલ્ફર compounds છે in the most crudes ની અંદરથી variable amounts ની અંદર આપણને મળી આવે છે. Usually sulfur contain does exist 5% of sulfur in crude occurs in the different forms. આ જે પણ સલ્ફર્સ છે એ ક્રૂડ્સ ની અંદર 5% એનો 5% હોય છે એ ડિફરન્ટ ફોર્મ્સ ની અંદર લાઈક ફ્રી સલ્ફર હોઈ શકે, હાઇડ્રોજન સલ્ફાઇડ ના ફોર્મમાં હોઈ શકે એન્ડ મરકેપ્ટન્સ. Mercaptans is also used in the LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. And the next point, the heavier fractions contain sulfides, polysulfides, sulfonates and sulfates. And the next, the sulfur compound cause the problem of corrosion and bead odor. આ જે પણ સલ્ફર કમ્પાઉન્ડ છે એના લીધે પેટ્રોલિયમ છે એની અંદર કોરોઝન અને bead odor નો પ્રોબ્લેમ આવે છે. I again repeat, fifth is inorganics. Inorganics ની અંદર totally discussion about sulfur compound. The sulfur compound is found in the most of the crudes in the variable amounts. આ જે પણ સલ્ફર છે એ ક્રૂડ્સ ની અંદર વેરિયેબલ અમાઉન્ટ્સ ની અંદર મળી આવે છે. And usually sulfur content does exist 5% of sulfur. એની અંદર કેટલા percentage હોય છે ક્રૂડ્સ ની અંદર, 5% સલ્ફર હોય છે. In occurs in the different forms ની અંદર, like free sulfur ના forms ની અંદર હોઈ શકે, second hydrogen sulfide ના forms ની અંદર હોઈ શકે, and next mercaptans ના form ની અંદર હોઈ શકે. Next point is the heavier fractions contain. The heavier fractions છે શું contain કરે છે, the sulfide, polysulfide, sulfonate and sulfates. And the last point, the sulfur compound cause the problem of corrosion and bead odor. આ જે પણ inorganic sulfur compound છે એ પેટ્રોલિયમ ની અંદર corrosion and bead odor નો problem create cause કરે છે. Okay. 6, oxygen and nitrogen. Oxygen occurs as an oxygenated compounds like phenols, cresols, naphthalic acid, sulfonates, sulfates and sulfoxide. The second છે general property, 6 નંબરની general properties છે inorganic general properties, oxygen and nitrogen. This oxygen occurs is a oxygenated compound. Oxygenated compound ના ફોર્મ ની અંદર મળે છે, like phenols, cresol, naphthic acids, sulfonates, sulfates, and sulfoxides. And the second, the nitrogen is usually well below 2% exist in the form of indole, pyridine, quinoline, and amine. The second nitrogen છે એ below 2% exists in the form of indole, pyridine, quinoline, and amines. Again repeat. 6 general properties: oxygen and nitrogen. It's also inorganic properties. Oxygen occurs as an oxygenated compound. Oxygen જે મળે છે એ oxygenated compound ના ફોર્મ ની અંદર મળે છે, like phenols, cresol, naphthic acids, sulfonates, sulfates, and sulfoxides. And the second, nitrogen is usually below 2% exists in the form of indole, pyridine, quinoline, and amine. The next 7 aspects, resins, and bitumens. First, discuss about aspects are high molecular weight complex molecules. જે aspects છે એનું molecular weight કેવું છે? high. That's why aspects as a high molecular weight complex molecule છે. કેવું છે? complex molecules. That's why કેમ કે એનું molecular weight કેવું છે? high છે. That's why it's a high molecular weight complex compound. Second, black in color. Aspects is generally black in color. Soluble in preferably in aromatic solvents and carbon disulfide. These aspects is generally soluble in aromatic solvents like benzene, toluene. જે પણ જે આપણને solvents છે aromatic solvents એની અંદર શું છે? soluble છે. And carbon disulfide is also soluble in carbon disulfide. Second, resins. Resins are mostly compound of high condensed ring structure and containing oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, and some inorganics too. જે પણ second છે resins is also high condensed ring structure and containing oxygen, sulfur, and nitrogen, and some inorganics too. I again repeat 7 general properties: aspects, resins, and bitumens. Aspects are high molecular weight complex molecule છે, high molecular weight complex molecule છે, black in color છે, and preferably soluble in aromatic solvents and also soluble in carbon disulfide. Second, resins are most compound of high condensed ring structure and containing oxygen, sulfur, and nitrogen, and sometimes inorganics. Next is bitumens. Bitumens made of 3 components: aspects, resin, and mineral oil. આ જે પણ bitumens છે, bitumen is generally used in the making of road. જે પણ આપણા રોડ બને છે બરાબર, એની અંદર જે પણ શું યુઝ થાય છે? bitumens. જે બ્લેક કલરનું લિક્વિડ યુઝ થાય છે એ શું છે? bitumens છે. These bitumens made up of 3 components. 3 components નું બનેલું હોય છે: aspects, resin, and mineral oils. The aspects are suspended in oil and resin contributes to the stability of the system. જે પણ aspects છે suspended oil ના ફોર્મ ની અંદર હોય છે, અને જે resins હોય છે એનું contribution bitumens ની અંદર શું કરે છે? stability of the system. Next, less inorganics. The other elements present are nickel, vanadium, iron, silica, magnesium, and halogens. And જે પણ લેસ ઇનઓર્ગેનિક્સ છે એની અંદર કયા કયા એલિમેન્ટ્સ પ્રેઝન્ટ હોય છે? તો નિકલ હોય છે પ્રેઝન્ટ, વેનેડિયમ પ્રેઝન્ટ હોય છે, આયરન પ્રેઝન્ટ હોય છે, સિલિકા, મેગ્નેશિયમ, એન્ડ હેલોજન. એન્ડ this is totally discussion about the composition of petroleum and its general properties. Okay.